Question 19. A cell with negligible internal resistance is connected as shown. The ammeter and the voltmeter are both ideal. What changes occur in the ammeter reading and in the voltmeter reading when the resistance of the variable resistor is increased? We see the variable resistor at the left side with a sliding contact and connected in series with the fixed resistance. As he said, the resistance of the variable resistance increases. It means that the total combined or the equivalent resistance of both the variable resistance and the fixed resistance increases, which is affecting directly on the reading of the ammeter or the number of the charges passing through the wire. The electric current must be decreased here, and for the reading of the voltmeter, if the resistance of the variable resistance increases, it means that too much energy consumed or dissipated through the variable resistor. So the reading of the voltmeter increases here. So the correct answer is C. If you'd love the video, give us like, share, and subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. See you next video.